Welcome to Prime Cabinetry's How to Measure Your Kitchen instructional video. Congratulations on starting the first step of your remodeling project. We know this process can be daunting at times, but no worries. I am here to guide you through each step. To measure your space, you will need 3 items. They are the measuring guide, a tape measure, and something to write with. The measuring guide shows you everything our designers need to complete a drawing and also provides written instructions on how to measure your space. Step 1. Measure your space. Start by filling out the contact information and project details portions of the guide. Once you have completed those sections, you can begin measuring your space. It is important to note that we will only need measurements of the walls which will contain the cabinets. Starting in the corner, measure the entire wall, stopping at a doorway or an adjacent wall. Record that measurement on the grid provided in the measuring guide. Repeat these steps for each wall in the space. Step 2. Doors, windows, and room openings. The next step is to locate and measure any doors, windows, or room openings that will need to be taken into consideration while creating your design. Be sure to include the trim and casing in the measurements. Step 3. Obstacles. Once you have your windows, doors, and room openings clearly marked on the grid, you should locate and measure any obstacles that are in your space. Common obstacles include pipes, ducts, radiators, electrical outlets, etc. Draw and number these items on your floor plan. Be sure to locate them correctly by measuring from the corner to where they begin. If you have or would like an island, you can draw that in at this time as well. Step 4. Appliances. Next, mark the placement of your appliances and sink using the same process from the previous step. Step 5. Ceiling height. Now measure the height of your ceiling in 3 areas, recording the smallest measurement. Step 6. Photos and submit. Finally, take some pictures of your space, being sure to capture the entire area and any hard-to-explain items. Now, all you have left to do is submit this guide as well as the pictures via email, fax, or through the online submission form. Once we receive your measurements, a designer will be in contact with you to discuss your project. And within 48 hours, you will receive a detailed floor plan as well as full-color 3D renderings of your proposed design. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to email or call us.